Hello everybody, today we're going to write fractions in the language of maths. So some fractions you might know are half, a quarter, and perhaps you know a third. Well, we're going to write half in English. Here we go. It's a little bit of a tricky word, half. Now when we write half in English it looks like this, but when we write half in maths it looks like this. So a 1 and then a line and then a 2. Very interesting. This means we are cutting our shape or our thing or our amount into 2 parts. These parts must be equal. So it might be parts of a circle and you're going to cut it into 2 equal parts, or it might be parts of a group of a number and you're going to cut into 2 equal groups. We might do more of that later. Now, half actually means what is one of the 2 equal groups. So when we write half, we can think about it like this. 1 out of the 2 groups. Can you think what 1/4 might look like? Now 1/4 is actually when we cut into 4. We share into 4 equal parts. In English, we can use our sounds for this one. It looks like this. 1/4 in maths looks like this. You can say it with me. 1 out of the 4 parts. So, here's my circle. Here are my 4 parts. My question could be, can you shade 1/4? That means we're going to shade 1 out of the 4 parts. And there we are. I've shaded 1/4. In numbers, it could be that we are finding 1/4 of 4. It is 1 out of the 4 parts. 1/4 of 4 is 1. 1/4. We could also do Did you get what it was? It's 3 out of the 4 parts. That's 3/4. We can go back to here and we can shade 3 out of the 4 parts. Now you've shaded 3/4. We can count how many 3/4 of the number 4 is by counting 3 out of the 4 parts. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. There is one other way to write your fractions, and that is 1/3. 1/3, 1 out of the 3 parts. In English, it looks like this. So you might find 1/3 of a rectangle and shade 1 out of the 3 parts. You might find 1/3 of the number 6. It needs to be in 3 parts. How much is 1 out of the 3 parts? What is 1/3 of 6? Well, it's 1, 2. 1/3 of 6 equals, whoopsie, 2. Can you have a go at that today, everybody?